Okay, guys, we're actually doing a re-unboxing of this because my son bought this and didn't tell me and opened it, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is cool. This is exactly what we unboxed. What are you doing? So we crammed it all back in here, probably very wrong, so that you can see it for yourself. This was how much? $30, yeah. $30 at Walmart. They have this, like a Call of Duty, a Super Mario, and like Super Nintendo themed one. But it's really cool. It's by Culturefly. As you can see, this particular one is Zelda themed, and it is officially licensed by Nintendo, and I believe everything, or almost everything at least in here, is exclusive to the Culturefly products. So I'm going to let you open it up, and I'll just commentate on the sides with you. We didn't even put the thing back on straight. You got to keep it on, yeah. Not a whole lot of rules here.
See, this is how you know we didn't put it in right.
Because it's like so bloated. Let me know.
What happened to standing on the sidelines?
I'm trying. I'm doing my best. Yeah, we really packed this wrong. Alright, so, Contents 1. Culturefly exclusive here. If you go to culturefly.com/pages/survey and do their survey, you get 50% off your order. I think you can use that link even without buying a box. Hint, hint, hint. Anyways, Let's see the goods. Because this one actually looked really good. I almost bought this for you for Christmas, and then Father was like, no, he bought that for himself.
Alright, so I'm going to put that there, because that's a mystery box. This is one of my favorite things ever now.
It's just plush. It doesn't like scream or go, listen, or hey.
That's Navi.
Still, she's connected with the Triforce forever.
Two-sided. Yeah, I like it.
It's not really like a character though, but I mean, it's a pretty firm plush.
Yeah.
I mean, usually plushes that I see are characters, so it's odd. Oh my gosh, look, that's really... Look at that detail.
Oh yeah, look on the back.
It's got like, oh my god, it's like leather and like wood, like legit. This is not, let me get in closer. This is not plastic. This is like legit. Like, that's a really nicely made box.
That's a treasure chest coin bank.
Coin slot. I see it. I see it.
So that way you can peek in and then go dun 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 dun.
Oh my gosh, that's cool. I want to buy one for me now. That's like really nice.
No, it's locked inside here forever. And then let me see.
Yeah, I think there's 7 items total. One is a mystery item.
And there is this.
Oh my goodness, yes, take it out. Let me help you take it out. Fine. You're way off camera now. You're way low.
Well, it took a few. Nice.
Oh my gosh. That's a good one. What's the other side?
It's surrounded by rupees, if you notice.
Oh my gosh. Zelda 1. It's got pretty decent weight on it. It's not as heavy as the military challenge coins, but yeah. I can't focus. Yeah, you can see the rubies. Or rupees, sorry.
And that's not plastic, is it?
No, it feels like metal to me.
Then we have this. It's the Hylian shield as a wall vinyl. So, just stick it on a wall and it'll stay there for a while.
It does not seem to say on the packaging if the coin is what it's made out of, but it does not feel like plastic. It's like cold and... But yeah, that's for like a car emblem or something like that. Locker maybe.
Alright. I don't know why I put this back in the bag if we're doing a re-unboxing. And this is a journal.
Oh, that looks... Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, it's got the little... Hold on, you're way off camera.
Oh.
It's got the Triforce logo. Are the pages printed?
Oh
my gosh, they are! I love that. Hold on. Let's get in close for that. You've got the little Triforce at the top and around the bottom. That's amazingly well detailed. And then the front, if you can't see, it's all the ocarinas and loots.
From Ocarina of Time, for those who didn't know.
And this is
leather.
Also, I don't know if it's actual leather. Does it say? Doesn't seem to say. I don't think it's leather, but it's not like plastic either. It's not cheap. I want to say that. I want to say it like that. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's not cheap.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh my gosh, they put real glass in there?
Yeah.
And you didn't get it broken. That's amazing.
Yeah, I had it for like one night.
Oh my gosh. Okay,
well, 2.
This is going to be hard to get the image
No,
on because of the ring light. Okay, you got to look at it at an angle. I'm sorry. You got the sword through the Link shield or the Zelda style
Hylian shield.
Hylian shield. That's the word I wanted. Yes.
You don't know your Zelda.
Hold on, leave that out. We'll do a big all together
I'm gonna,
shot.
Because I will break it. And then there's this mystery vinyl that is not a mystery, but...
Not anymore.
You even taped it back? Oh my...
Well, I didn't want the tape to stick on the vinyl. I was trying to be efficient. You're welcome.
Now this is a really cool item, even though it has no practical use. It's still a great collector's item. It's a bunch of rubies. So you could just...
Oh, so it's like just plastic rupees, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. They're spilling out.
Yeah.
Like you dropped your bag and they're all
Link got
out.
Link got 101, so they're all flying out.
From everything I'm seeing, everything is exclusive just to this box, so you can't you can't go through and buy any of this anywhere else. And we're running a little short on the room here.
And you're also a little off.
I'm not off. I have it how I want it.
Yeah, off camera.
Now I can pick it up and I can move it. And I can get this stuff out of the way. Scoot that stuff over. There we go. And now I can get... No, I don't want the survey in it.
Aww.
I can get the perfect picture. Sort of. If only this wasn't glaring.
Jeez.
I know, right? Alright, now I can get the perfect picture.
6-minute video.
Yeah.
Someone
Alright, guys.
sponsor us.
So this is what is inside the Culturefly Zelda edition box. It is awesome. I think that's totally worth the $30. And after Christmas, it's probably going to drop in price because people aren't buying stuff like this so much after Christmas.
Yes.
So here you go. Thanks for resharing.
Thank you and goodbye.